Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the 17th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So without wasting your time, we can move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss the update of any upcoming video. So our first word is amalgamate, and this word is both verb and adjective. The meaning of this word under the verb category is bring or combine together, and under the adjective join together into a whole, that making a single one. And this both containing the same meaning, that is combining together or unify, being a single one, that means the amalgam. See the synonyms: mingle, unify, united, consolidated, commix. So example is, when several firms amalgamate, there is economy of operations. That means when several company or factory, that we call firm, combine together, there is an economy of operation. So see the picture, how four people combining together and form a single things, that we called amalgamate. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is are they forced to share their everyday experience, fears and desires for the rest of time in one amalgamate mind? So it asking that are they forced to share their everyday experience or fear and desires for the rest of the time into a single mind. Second sentence is the starch is what allows the pasta and sauce to amalgamate. That means the starch is the one that allow to combine the pasta and sauce together. So third sentence is, so the Senate amalgamated the votes so that nothing would pass. That means the Senate unify or collect the vote together so that nothing will be passed. So as a previous one and other video, in this video also we provide the 5 more sentences under each word. So we'll go through it, give a 10-second pause, then we'll move on to the next word. So here it is, 5 more sentences. Our next word is thwart. Thwart is a verb, and the meaning of this word is hinder or prevent anything, that is effort, plan or desire. Hinder or prevent means both the same thing. So move on to the synonyms, that are queer, preclude, forestall. The example is the protest was thwarted by police. That means the protest was controlled by police. See the picture, how one player is obstructing another player for kicking a football, that we call thwart. To move on to the sentences, our first sentence is the collection of biometric information also guards against identity theft and the thwarts fraudsters who are not who they claim to be. So that means the collection of biometric information that will that will help against the identity theft and prevent the fraudster who are not who they claim to be. Second sentence is the employee alerted the FBI who were successful in thwarting the attack. That means the employee alert the FBI and the FBI were successful in preventing the attack. Third sentence is the easiest way to thwart pirates then is to remove packages from the view. That means the easiest way to prevent pirates then by removing packets from the view. So we'll move on to the 5 more sentences. So our next word is succinct. Succinct is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is express clearly and in a few words. Both things should be there, that we call succinct. Synonyms are summary, concise, brief, compendium. These all mean succinct. Example is the nature of the project to be clear and succinct. That is, nature of the project should be clear and brief, collecting a brief summary. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is Jacobin offers a succinct description in a 2017 story on what a capital strike usually entails. That means Jacobin offers a brief summary description in a 2017 story on what a capital strike usually entails. Second sentence is Instagram limits video to an hour. So Silver is learning to be focused and succinct. That means Instagram limiting the video to an hour. So that means Silver is learning to focus and brief. Third sentence is the pitch is a story just about as succinct as possible on the institution. That means the pitch is a story just about a brief summary as possible on the institution. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Our next word is empathy. Empathy is a noun and the meaning of this word is understanding and entering into another's feeling. That means you understand also and also involve on another person's feeling. That we call empathy. So synonyms are fellow feeling, sensitivity toward. That are synonyms. Example is Maria has empathy for illegal aliens. That means the Maria has understanding and also involved on their feeling for illegal aliens. See the picture how a green colored man thinking in about the black man and the black man involved and think about the green one. That we called we entering into the another feelings. That is empathy. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is American people do not want to hear Biden's hollow words of empathy. That means the American people do not want to hear the Biden's hollow word of their feelings, their words. Second sentence is Police Academy was also working to modernize training, emphasizing communication skills, empathy and stress management. That means Police Academy was also working to modernize their training, emphasizing their communication skills and entering into the another feelings, understanding the feelings of others, that we call empathy, and for the stress management. Third sentence is arts open minds and teach empathy, something lacking in society today. That means arts open the mind and teach to understand and entering into the another feeling, that we call empathy, and something lacking in society today. Now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our next word is compassion. Compassion is a noun and the meaning of this word is a deep awareness of and sympathy for another feeling. That means you know about the another feelings and also provide the sympathy for their feelings. Synonyms are concern, sympathy. And I think many people have worried about that what are the difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy is just that you feel bad for another one. You are not involved in their feelings, you just feel bad for another one, that we call sympathy. And when we involve on another feelings, that we call empathy, as I told before. Example is Marcino said the deputy failed to use common sense and compassion. Marcino said that deputy failed to use common sense and also compassion. That is the sympathy for another feelings. See the picture how the both people showing the compassion for the sick one. Move on to the sentences. First sentence is we felt compassion, but it was some faraway story, not something that will happen to us. That means we felt compassion, we feel sympathy, but it was some faraway story and not something that will happen to us. Move on to the second sentence. Through her work, she dedicated her life to standing up for and advancing justice and compassion, she said. That means through her work, she dedicated her life to standing up and advancing the justice and sympathy, that is compassion. Third sentence is, I was always worried that I was evil, but I was shown where my compassion lies, he said. He said that he was always worried that he was evil, but he always shown where his compassion lies, his sympathy lies for the another person. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this much only for today, and we'll continue for the next part. And stay connected with us. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circles and other one, those who need for it. And if you have any suggestion or any questions, you can comment below down so that I will help you out. So we'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.